only real reggae people stay here. So if you're still tuned in, this one is for you. Because reggae was never just music, it was message, it was movement, it was freedom. From Peter Tosh to Burning Spear, from Chronixx to Sizzler, this is the sound that carried truth across generations. Not hype, not trend, but roots, culture, and consciousness. So wherever you're listening from right now, lock in, because the vibration starts right now. Drop your country in the chat, and if you're staying for real reggae, subscribe to Reggae Hour.
Hey, what you know? Yes, you can now. And just so wanna well royal.
I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high. I said I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high.
Are you gonna?
So high.
Hey, man, when I say I wanna get high, I mean I wanna get high. Meditation where you bug, where the planes fly. In the school of life and I don't really wanna get by. So I know marijuana when you hear me say me grades high. The rest them say yes I. Naturally, me nah make no stress I. Chilling in the valley, remember the almighty place I. Nah mixing on the valley, never snap, nothing on me, never pop, no malice still
I just wanna get high.
Hey, so
So high, so high, so high, so high, so high. I said I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high.
I'm on say I am meditation and a higher standard living. I up on the mountain, soldiers a stand yard. Hey, defense them higher yard, full of bad dog, full of cycle like a heavyweight. No landlord, give praises to the most high. The man sorry brother, cause the enemies approach. I him still a take me higher, yes royal and the higher priest, them a blade the fire. Big up Dunkirk and the whole of Kentire still.
I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high. I said I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high.
Are you gonna?
So high.
Hey, follow me. When I say I wanna get high, I mean I wanna get high. Meditation where you bug, where the planes fly. In the school of life and I don't really wanna get by. So I know marijuana when you hear me say me grades high. The rest them say yes I. Naturally, me nah make no stress I. Chilling in the valley, remember the almighty place I. Nah mixing on the valley, never snap, nothing on me, never pop, no malice still
I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high. I said I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high. I just wanna get high. I just wanna get high. So high, so high, so high, so high, so high. I said I just wanna get high. So high, so high.
As Mr. Flavor, I am proud to bring to you Mr. E, the music maestro.
Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Wave the banner from you know your soul clean. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Roots reggae music up in your bloodstream. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold. Yes, enough you know. This are the energy, the people, them been locking reggae beat. This are not trapping, all who feel like them are tapping, really sleeping and them napping while me flying round the world. Think man a genie like Aladdin, and for water down the message just be streaming. I'm not having people in a foreign say them not get no good music, so me go on in at the booth and then record like man a Cupid. Hit the target when me shoot it, it no hard to execute this lyrics. God me don't tell it for watch me prove it.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Wave the banner from you know your soul clean.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Roots reggae music up in your bloodstream.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Every corner, every lane, every scheme.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Yes, enough you know where we mean.
Hear me now. 3 colors run the 4 corners of the earth, the 5 oceans, 7 seas, 7 wonders of the world. Jah bust the 7 seals and sound the trumpets of the word of 1892, the 7th month, the 23rd. Unto us a son was given, unto us a child was birthed. The King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, I listen, I the first. Some of them are weird the colors and them now do them research. Don't sing along just like we rehearsed. Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Wave the banner from you know your soul clean.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Roots reggae music up in your bloodstream.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Every corner, every lane, every scheme.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Yes, enough you know what me mean. Lock off Babylon, them heartbeat. When the Rasta start speak, enough of them a blaspheme and a make a dark scene. Until we walk in with the red, gold and green. And every man turning a king, every woman turn queen. The red of it, the shedding up, the blood will set you free. The gold stand for justice and equality. The green is for abundance and fertility. And the lion stand for sovereignty.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Wave the banner from you know your soul clean.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Roots reggae music up in your bloodstream.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Every corner, every lane, every scheme.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
Yes, enough you know where we mean.
Red, gold and green, red, gold and green.
And y'all already know what it is.
Red, gold and green.
Most Southside, most reggae album,
baby.
Red, gold and green.
Throw the flag to the hell, baby.
Every corner, every lane, every scheme.
Red, gold and
grab it, why you represent? Cause you know we gon' represent like we.
Yes, enough you know where we mean.
Fear them. So what them a go do when them hear this one? Bang bang.
Hey, no take tellings, want me no fi say this. Man, we see your farm and gone in and you let this. People mean your harm, you can't tell what a friend is. Grudge you for your paper, scorn you for your pennies. When you no see me gone, forget replenish. Back up in the morning, can't forget the message, no. Avocado, she feel for me, senny. Yeah, man, banana is sweet to she belly. Jeez, I want make life sweet, so like a jelly. Climb feet, it hard, can't easy, so forget it. Sang the pan the radio, video pan the telly. Love in me heart, me a spread the catchy medi.
People, oh people, expectation. Will they love you?
No guarantee.
People, oh people, all need salvation. Will they save you? No guarantee.
Some no like how you live, want to carry you go court. Some will burn every bridge and still I look for support. Jealousy is a cloud, check the weather report. That's why me tighten the ship and then me arm up the fort. Now the biggest of foes, once the closest of friends. But you know how it goes, how the fake will pretend. Some will shake off your hand and break bread in your house. Soon as you turn your back, them will run up on your spouse. Some will say you no ras, and you jump in a Benz. Like me never see still I see in a couple of them. Some will watch what you earn and account what you spend. Always want if you borrow, never have if you lend. But you see
people, oh people, got expectation. Will they love you? No guarantee.
a go say me a feel live me life. No worries for me head when me a go a bed at night. Mommy, daddy, sister, yara, everybody nice. Cousin, auntie, virgin, yeah, them a fi get a slice. Man, them use to pack a thing and put it on a bike. Send you go a town and then them eat cheap on a flight. When you reach a foreign, them a go triple the price. Beds in a community and be malaka. Rice, get well with the ones and so them a fi do it twice. One day underground, the other one a jail for life. A valuable lesson, nothing happen overnight.
People got expectations. Will they love you? No guarantee. People all need salvation. Will they save you?
No guarantee. Come on now, ask yourself that. Come on. Will they? Come on.
I wonder if they save you. I wonder if they're gonna save you.
I love one thing. Ain't nobody coming to save you. So, like your boy Carter said, you gotta skank. Hey! Come on. Y'all already know.
Skanking, grooving, help me, Jaja. Yeah, skanking, grooving, under pressure. Yeah, skanking, grooving. Under the pressures of a life and it tough. No stay down, mama, time pick it up. No bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibes. I pick it up when the bills, them, the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah, yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah, like a pass, split turn up the music. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and the rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and the rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, for every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together.
Sing it.
So make we sing together. And who say life no order? And every man got this struggle. I beg you to help me, Lord, and let me overcome my troubles. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet, we skank it till our morning come. Until the day when my troubles are gone. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
We're grooving in our Jaja. We're grooving all my troubles away. Skanking, everybody wanna feel like the troubles and the rockin'. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skank, everybody wanna feel like the troubles and the rock, yeah. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. So skanking, grooving, forget your troubles and the rock with me. Skanking, grooving, yeah. Everybody was skanking sweet. Everybody was skanking sweet. Body was skanking sweet. Everybody was skanking sweet. Yeah. I'm gonna be skanking. I wanna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. Whoa.
And I say selfishness, materialism and greed. Yo. And I say selfishness, materialism and greed. We never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? We no power, we no mouth or mercy. What's you selling your soul and you stooping so low for the bling and the cars that flash it? Jammy guide and shield. Them boy they not real, them will smile in your face. Then behind plan you rest in place. Oh yes, cause them envy it. Yeah, we not support no phobia. Bad mind is in my phobia. And not every skin teeth our friend. Feel it, they tell if you watch out for them, yo. Yeah, what you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. Weapon formed against I and I shall prosper any day. So move from honor, evil people, we know your heart not clean. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil cause Jah is with me. Now sell out cause Mortimer is real. Not for fame, me hand now sign on. Yeah, we not support no phobia. Bad mind is in my phobia. And not every skin teeth our friend. Feel it, they tell if you watch out for them. Never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? We no power, we no mouth or mercy. What's you selling your soul and you stooping so low for the bling and the cars that flash it? Jammy guide and shield. Them boy they not real, them will smile in your face. Then behind plan you rest in place. Oh yes, cause them envy it. Yeah, we not support no phobia. Bad mind is in my phobia. And not every skin teeth our friend. Feel it, they tell if you watch out for them, yo. Yeah, what you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. And I say selfishness, materialism and greed. Yo. And I say selfishness, materialism and greed. We never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah. What you talking about? Don't come around with no one bag of mouth. No, we not tea, we not leak, not a spout. The most I alone we promote, and we never sell out, yeah.
Greetings, master, but this is Tasha T representing for the Reggae Hour. You done know?
Make sure to hit the follow button or subscribe to Reggae Hour Podcast on YouTube.
soon come, baby. I soon come, baby. I'll be there soon, soon come. I'll be there soon, soon come. I'm going to set fire to your ocean. Let me show you my love and devotion. And while you lay your lamps down low, there is just one thing I would like for you to know, and it's that I soon come, baby. I soon come, baby. I'll be there soon, soon come. I'll be there soon, Lord, no, soon, soon come. Oh gosh, in the morning, I'll be there soon. In the evening, when you
Earth Cry. Everybody, this is a good one.
around, just listen.
Soon come.
The bingy man sound. Oh gosh, I soon come, baby. Soon come, I soon come. Oh Lord, I soon come. Oh Lord, I soon come. Oh Lord, I soon come. In the morning, when I soon come. In the evening, and then I soon come. Late at night, girl. Oh no.
Already. Now I'm going to put y'all on to a personal friend of mine who has been all over Africa, all over Jamaica, all over Canada, all over the UK and Europe, doing her thing. And not only has she been doing her thing on the stage, she has been also doing her thing behind the scenes with helping children read, especially in Jamaica, with her campaign. And we definitely need to support this sister. So I'm gonna definitely, if you don't know about Tasha T, let me introduce you to Tasha T, one of her best tracks, Ethiopia. And I urge you that after this live, or after this recording, or after this podcast, go and check out 10 Foot Wall. 10 Foot Wall. Go check out 10 Foot Wall. And I guarantee you, and it's going to be something amazing. Here is Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, Ethiopia, so long down in Babylon, sailing across the oceans, crossing over the seas, I'm going to the motherland, for I hear her calling me. So I'm leaving out of Babylon, coming out of Babylon. I am on my way, so please come with me to Ethiopia, 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 to Ethiopia. It was 500 years ago, Babylon took us away from you, brought us to a strange land with stories that were not true. So we are leaving out of Babylon, coming out of Babylon, the land where our God loves to be. Ethiopia, 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 to Ethiopia. Yes, I'm running and I'm running and I'm running away, running and I'm running and I'm running away.
fading away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Living on my life, working for the slave masters. Down in the west, I just pure disasters. Ethiopia, I have so much to offer. So calling our sons and daughters. No, it's not no time for no joke, no rafters. From creation, make we step at the order. Peace and love is the only way. We're all gonna conquer. Let's go to Ethiopia, Ethiopia, yeah. Ethiopia, sailing across the oceans, crossing over the seas. I'm going to the motherland, for I hear her calling me. So I'm leaving out, leaving out, leaving out of Babylon. Coming out, coming out, coming out of Babylon. I am on my way, so please come with me to Ethiopia, 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 yeah. To Ethiopia, teach us to love, teach us to forgive. The God of Ethiopia, divine majesty. No more will I roam. Deliver us from the hands of our enemies, oh Jah, oh Jah, that we may prove fruitfully in the last days, oh Jah. When our enemies are past and decayed, oh Jah, in the depths of the sea, oh Jah, in the depths of the earth, or in the belly of a beast, Ethiopia, 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 yeah. No more will I roam. Ethiopia, I'm coming home.
Tasha T, baby. Make sure y'all go check out T4 World.
Teach us to forgive, yeah, yeah.
And hit that subscribe button, because you know we're going to be playing all the shows.
Make sure to hit the follow button or subscribe to Reggae Hour Podcast on YouTube.
So natural. So natural.
Melissa.
Nature by my side, I'm made for you. Sun is shining, you're my morning dew. You're my morning dew. Dancing in the wind, it's like you lift me with your wings. Loving you is so natural. Floating in the air like a butterfly, I have no care. Loving you is so natural. With each waking day, when the sun rises up above the mountain top and the birds start to play, and the sky lights up, the sun is smiling at us. That is how I feel inside. When you're by my side, I get the feeling nature is real when all love comes alive. Dancing in the wind, it's like you lift me with your wings. Loving you is so natural. Floating in the air like a butterfly, I have no care. Loving you is so natural. You are like water to my fire, turning my night into day. Every inch, every mile of you I admire. You're a beautiful landscape. We are growing cause we are sowing the seeds of tomorrow. And the breeze is blowing, the rain has come to wash away my sorrow. Dancing in the wind, it's like you lift me with your wings. Loving you is so natural. Floating in the air like a butterfly, I have no care. Loving you, loving you. Horizons of your love, they have no end. Lifting me sky high.
praise to his name. For whatever we gain, yeah. For the earth and the dirt is the one and the same. So his likeness we claim. Let evil refrain, yeah. King Selassie, King Selassie, King Selassie, yeah. King Selassie, King Selassie, King Selassie. In a verse, to be first, it's always a game. And no matter who plays, the end is the same. Yeah, you end up with a curse. Now the worst is parked at your gate. So let evil refrain, or you'll never come again. King Selassie, King Selassie, King Selassie,
I never feel fought down, we wouldn't dare so tall. How good and great you are to me, oh Father. I've got to take the time to chant a prayer. You've blessed my life eternally, I'm grateful. In the midst of enemies, you keep my plate full. Sometimes I fail, oh gosh, sometimes I falter, and feel as though you've left me in a corner. But here you are, the light upon my tunnel. In the middle of the night, you say you are. I'm gonna make such a joyful noise to the Lord, overcome so me happy and rejoice. I'm here to sing songs of praises and use up my voice in every single tune when me write. So many places me walk, if I never feel Father, me would have never dare so attack. So many nights struggle by time me sit down and I write and I breathe with them good night. All that glitters just ain't gold. At times I'm broken, all alone, and all I know is I is in control. Oh, is it knows, oh, is it knows how good and great you are to me, oh Father. I've got to take the time to chant a prayer. You've blessed my life and I'm so grateful, yes. You've blessed my life, yes, yes. Sometimes I feel how good and great, how good and great you are. So many places in the world, and if I never feel Father, we wouldn't dare so done, no, 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 no. Ooh, God, how good and great you are, 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 how good and great. Oh gosh, oh yes, oh gosh, oh yes. I will so give thanks, trust me. If I never feel Father, we wouldn't dare so talk, we wouldn't dare so I sing, we wouldn't dare do anything. Oh gosh.
Shine everybody. Just a little bit of tension. Here on BOSS Radio, baby, you already know what it
Make
is.
sure to hit the follow button or subscribe to Reggae Hour Podcast.
There is tension building inside I, and I'm trusting I spirit to guide I, even if no one else overstands. I have got to do what it demands. I eyes and theirs might deceive I, friends and family might leave I, but is a righteous tension a brew, so I must prepare for what I might have to do. I don't have a problem in the world, solution oriented, simple island girl, passionate, compassionate with patience as a science, endorsing love and unity, promoting self-reliance, balancing our emotions, tempering our temperament, maintaining our composure and learning when to vent. But as injustice grips the masses more and more, the pressure makes them not much, instead it makes me sure that there is tension building inside I, and I'm trusting I spirit to guide I, even if no one else overstands. I have got to do what it demands. I eyes and ears might deceive I, friends and family might leave I, but is a righteous tension a brew, so I must prepare for what I might have to do. Misleaders use semantics to manipulate us, meaningless promises to keep us in a state of catatonic apprehension, empty hands up to the sky, the art of misdirection used to disguise the light, telling us decisions made are for our good, by those whom we elect, when in actuality they merely reflect an ulterior agenda to profit in their terms. So the people only matter when the people help them earn. Whoa, so them corrupt system get burned. That's why there's tension building inside I, and I'm trusting I spirit to guide I, even if no one else overstands. I have got to do what it demands. Thy eyes and theirs might deceive I, friends and family might leave I, but it's a righteous tension of brew. So I must prepare for what I might have to do. But I'm never gonna give ya up, no matter what. Imagine the morning you awake to find the soldiers on your street, tanks on every boulevard, police on every beat, choppers hovering but a stillness in the air. How will you be feeling? Relieved or filled with fear? Then the radio announces that the leader's going to speak. Adrenaline explodes as your attention peaks. He says, you may already notice the plans for your protection, put in place to neutralize potential insurrection. But have no fear, the force is here with tear gas, bombs and guns, so no undesirables will compromise the flow of funds. Tell me, where will you be standing? What will you plan to do when you realize the enemy is you? It's you. It's you. It's you. Which side of the law are you on? Are you with the masses or are you the protected one? Tell me, which side of the law holds your place? Do they defend you or can they stick that gun in your face? Tell me, where does your allegiance lie? Does the struggle entertain you or does it make you cry? Is it clear where your conscience will reside? One day you may have to decide. That's why there's tension building inside I, and I'm trusting I spirit to guide I, even if no one else overstands. I have got to do what it demands. Eyes and theirs might deceive I, friends and family might leave I, but it's a righteous tension of brew. So I must prepare for what I might have to do with this tension building inside. But I'm never gonna give ya up, no matter what.
You see, when it comes to Rastafari, I think when I play a certain game, see? Fire burning, Kabaka Pyramid again. Them take it too far, them take it to the extreme. Rastaman no ain't nothing with no FC. We can't par, me say a straight dead fever. No children for the inner, no sex scene. Too far, them take it to the extreme. Them a drink people blood like Pepsi. We can't par, me say a straight dead fever. Rastaman no ain't nothing with no FC. Be a pedophile when you check your file. P. Diddy with them wall full of baby aisle. Ask them reptile where them take a child. Some of them a barbecue legs, some prefer mild. Satanic ritual, do not take it light. And the Epstein jet, look who did that take a flight. Them ask Hillary, she still a deny it. Oprah says she never do this in her life. Looking at them eye and you see evil in it. Container ship a bear people in it. Them looking at your face and say we did do it, but on earth a bear sheep in it. So them take it too far, them take it to the extreme. Rastaman ain't nothing with no Epstein. We can't par, me say a straight dead field. No children for the inner, no sex scene. Too far, them take it to the extreme. Rastaman ain't nothing with no Epstein. We can't par, me say a straight dead field. Appear nastiness in a them wet streams. Dirty Babylon, them a bomb run. Epstein file just a cover up in plan. Them CM1 make it Taliban. ISIS, Hamas and Boko Haram. Time I get scary and so grim. Them would kill Jim Carrey and clone him. Conspiracy theory, them told him. When them expose the truth, them a say a story. Them sacrifice children for getting glory. If you not work with them, then them set it door quick. Down in a LA, them a live in a Falais. Killing children every day, but them getting more rich. Far, them take it to the extreme. Rasta man ain't no nothing with no FC. Can't buy, we say a straight dead fiend. No children for the in and no sex scene. Hard them take it to the extreme. Rasta man ain't no nothing with no FC. We can't buy, a straight dead fiend. Them a drink people blood like Pepsi. Lord have mercy.
When you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only Jaja know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Sleepless nights under pressure, got a lot on my mind. What would life be without all the struggles of mine? Can't sleep, some esteem trees for peace of mind. I can't sleep, but these sweet dreams do ease my mind. I say, what's success without a little sacrifice? With every downfall, yes, you have to ever rise. Came the world to lose your soul, no, but not gonna pay that price. I forgive, thanks for life, the morning sun, that's all.
Victory, when you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only Jaja know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Positively clear when I light up on ritual. Tell us selfish ways we not go beg them for no sponsor. Cramming on my red will always try to pull you under. Pagans try to break you, wanna kill you, make you stronger. Clear my thoughts with a little meditating. Out of nothing, opportunities creating. King Selassie, I don't stop, I get the praising. For eternity, we keep the fire.
Victory, when you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only Jaja know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep you down, cause we have to red light. Stop sign. Doors closed. I'm never giving up, I'm doing good, but only the best is good enough.
No pretty out there, we're bridging and betray. With these streets got no love. When the pagans and forsake, we can't mash me up. Come and pray to the Father daily. I am a lift me up with. No quick to judge and send me hype and all a summer change. I wonder if I tune in DJ rise and make a change. Well, if for that you imagine when me buy my mother age. Father protect me and Him bless me with the
victory. When you're winning, it's a sweet story. And when you're not, then the war is bitter. You're quick to call me a sinner. Only Jaja know my history. So we have to give the king glory. Like a tree planted by the river. I smile with the sun. Can't keep it down, cause we have to overcome.
Yeah, boy, that's that kid's Namdi, and he showed you right there exactly why he won Grammy Reggae Album of the Year. I'm just saying though, man. But you know what? You don't stop with him. You feel me? Roots revival was always alive, so we have to keep it grinding. So we're going to bring it to you with Who Knows? Chronixx, baby, what you know about that?
And it's a Protoje, eh? Yeah. Chronixx, how where you say, eh?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows. Sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves.
When message and me see a way. Drastically straight from hypocrisy I say, hey. Every man to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then me read a chapter daily. When they in a city hungry and no eat, and food they down a country just a drop off of the tree then. You see say poverty no real then, is what the reason revealing.
Who knows, who knows, who knows, who knows. I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves, yeah.
When the rain hit a pot on the roof, herb just a steam pepper pot on the stew. Life is a dream if you got gratitude, so go tell the regime them can't stop what we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful of things where you say.
Who knows, who knows, who knows, who knows. I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves.
Africa in our soul, but a Jah in our heart. It is of importance for I and I gather. If we cannot show now a balance that we are, how do we propose them to carry it abroad? Then I go to Ethiopia and you not have a plan. The building of a nation and a helper on. Every one a lover, one a man is just a man. It shall be a coronation when we land.
Who knows, who knows, who knows, who knows. I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees, green leaves. Well,
and I say we just
who knows, who knows.
Yeah, man.
Who knows, babe.
We just move with Jah every time.
I'm pleased
give thanks,
to be chilling in the West Indies.
You see that smile on me.
Jah provide all my wants and my needs, oh Dre. Oh
well, keep it going, baby. Like, hey, Dre Island is a gem that I believe is hidden, because I know that he helped produce Chronixx's album, but nobody ever give him respect for the music he made till now. This is Dre Island with Didn't Know Me.
They don't know my story. They don't know my pain. No, they never tried to make things work. And still everything they all wanna claim. They don't know my struggles. They laugh and criticize me every day. They never tried to make things work. Still my victory they all wanna claim. When they didn't know me. Why do they wanna come share my glory when they didn't know me? Why do they wanna act like they knew me when they didn't know me? When I was down and out, when I had no shoes on my feet, they didn't know me. There's a night gone by when I had no food to eat, they didn't know me. When my house burned down and I had no clothes on my back, no, they didn't know me. No, they didn't know me. Through my ups and through my downs, when the smiles turn to frowns, only true friends were around, and they will always wear the crown. And every burden that we bear is a heavy one to carry. Only Jah, He knows, 'cause we take it all to Him in prayer. Though they fight, I'll keep my head up high, 'cause I know I will survive. There ain't no giving up, I say there ain't no giving up. All I do is take care of my family.
families and everyone surrounding me and teaching everybody about love. So why they all trying to judge me, wanna take away my energy when they don't know nothing about us? They didn't know me. Why do they wanna come share my glory when they didn't know me?
I feel that 100%.
Why do they wanna act like they knew me when they didn't know me? When I was down and out, when I had no shoes on my feet, they didn't know me. Days and night gone by when I had no food to eat, they didn't know me. When my house burned down and I had no clothes on my back, no, they didn't know me. They didn't know me. No.
I was living in that abandoned house. No.
Before all the blessed things, before all the pretty things, before all the camera lights and the shows, they didn't take the time, I know. Respect to all who showed some love and appreciation. I will never be ungrateful, no. Every word's of advice help me go. All the DJs who rock that stereo, and everyone who took the time to come to my shows. One thing I'll forever ever show is love everywhere I go. Though they didn't know me. Why do they wanna come share my glory when they didn't know me? Why do they wanna act like they knew me when they didn't know me? When I was down and out, when I had no shoes on my feet, they didn't know me. Days and night gone by when I had no food. No, they didn't know me. When my house burned down and I had no clothes on my back, no, they didn't know me. They didn't know me.
That there was something that unfortunately I could relate heavily to, man. I was just sitting there that last verse, just thinking, when my mom died, they didn't know me. And I know that's, I guess it's story time, huh? Story time. Let me tell y'all a story. That way you understand what that means. I remember I made a mistake. I made a horrible mistake, you know what I'm saying? It ended me up in confinement, you know, locked away in prison. And I can't blame nobody but myself for being locked away. Don't want nobody to carry that burden but myself. But that's not the point. The point is that when I found out my mom had passed away, I found out by reading a newspaper. Now I will be go on record to say my stepfather did write me. He did write me. He sent me the clipping, but that was after the fact. But he didn't know. He didn't know I knew. I give him that. The rest of my family, they didn't know me. Huh. And the funny part about that is that during that time period, they had 2 phone lines in my name. Ain't that something? And I couldn't call neither one because I didn't know the number. Let's get it going, baby. You already know you listening to.
Okay. Blood and fire.
Careful is the man that will betray. So I must keep an eye out for them Pharisees. I keep my friends close, but closer my enemy. Say you talk of food, but you don't shit. Short back road, took a round trip. Now good life and you have been slave. Bitter rose in your garden. You thought of food, but you don't shit. Short back road, took a round trip. Now good life and you have been slave. Bitter rose in your garden. So careful how you throw your stone. It will bounce right back and knock you down. Knock you down. Careful how you throw your stone. It will bounce right back and knock you down, down. Blood and fire, long blood and fire. Children say blood and fire.
Watcha, Chacha doing us a favor, giving us life in a time when we all living bad behavior. So, ain't not a worry nor a canker for the wickedness you sow and the seeds of it which will grow. If the ground should open and swallow some away, then maybe we'll see the wickedness cease, and maybe we'll be finally free. And now Babylon, your house are fall down. You never take the warning, yeah. Never take the warning, yeah. You can't fight fire when the cool not come. Never take the warning, yeah. Never take the warning, yeah. Why you never take the warning? Never take the warning. Jaja telling you from morning, yeah. Now everybody bawling. Everybody bawling. In trouble now you call his name. If the ground should open and swallow some away, then maybe we'll see the wickedness cease, and maybe we'll be finally free. And now Babylon, your house are fall down. Never take the warning, yeah. You never take the warning, yeah. giving us life in a time when we all living bad behavior. So if the ground should have opened and swallow some away, then maybe we'll see the wickedness cease, and maybe we'll be finally free. And now Babylon, your house are fall down. You never take the warning, yeah. Never take the warning, yeah. But you're in too deep. Now it's too late.
Now, I wouldn't usually be on the phone, but I was promoting the live, and I came across a comment to one of my earlier posts where I had put a picture of Joseph Hill from Culture with the overlaying text saying legalize. And I got a interesting, albeit long, comment from a Sandor Osos. And I'm going to share this on my my Facebook page of BOS's Radio or at Reggae Hour Podcast. And to me, it's a great read. Let me read it to you. For those that probably at work right now, can't break away and look at this, so let me read this to you. There's a plant is a plant, either in a smoky room or evening park with city lights twinkling in the distance. Look at this picture. In the image, you'll see the picture when you get you a chance. Do you see it? Drones, a crowd, neon sign. It's pure sci-fi. They say it's AI generated, and that it's not even real. Maybe. But you know what? The joke is that the pixel doesn't matter. Because no matter what the machine draws for us, the point remains between the lines. Nature cannot be overwritten by algorithms. Because a plant, it remains a plant, even if it's dreamed up by a supercomputer, and even if it grows among the weeds in grandma's garden. Have you ever thought about it? What it would be like if this gate opened here in Hungary too? No more hiding in the dark, like some criminal, just because someone chooses green over beer. It would be royal, wouldn't it? Finally, the smell of fear wouldn't float through the evenings, but the smell of freedom. Because what are we talking about? A shoot? A leaf that comes out of the ground, not a poison brewed in a lab? If half the world has already realized that prohibition only builds walls, why are we still waiting at the end of the line? Maybe this photo is just a digital mirage. But the need to not have to explain nature, well, that is very real. Because technology can develop. The world can turn inside out. But the earth remains earth. And what grows out of it belongs to us. At home, too. Finally. Oh, my God. That is a beautiful, beautiful thought by Sandorsos. That is something that is need to be discussed. Legalize it, But as they say, tomorrow never comes.
Do if tomorrow say. And if right here and right now is all that we got, there's no time for waiting, there's no time to chat. Right here and right now is all that we have. The moment is potent, have to take a chance. What would you do if tomorrow was taken from you? What would you do today? Tomorrow never comes. 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 There's only today. Whoa. There's only today. Whoa. Work hard, your reward is promised to you. Like Sarge, I take charge, demand what is due. Mission large, on the verge of something so true. I got work to do, I got work to do. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Open the door, give yourself the way. Beyond the shore, there's more than the eye can see. What you waiting for? What you waiting for? There's more, so much more for me today. What would you do if tomorrow is taken from you? Who would you be today? Tomorrow never comes. 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 There's only today. Got to live for today. That's the best way. There's only today. Got to live for today. Ooh, that's the best way. In New York, they want me, and I'm gonna be there. That city's calling, yes, I'm gonna be there. Africa is crying, yes, I'm gonna be there. Spreading the love all over the world.
Step out calmly, on me like a million for me. Paper fold up like origami. Now go see me and no pull up with the army. Anyway them call we hard like it is now. Reggae with the rhythm and the bass now. Style you couldn't catch no bad at chase now. But say them I got tired till we face now. When it dance stage show, we come around them. We are bringing vibes in on your tone then. I feel living life in the moment. Lila, me tell you from time. Now you realize that the whole world know then.
Already they want we, and we gonna be there. Brazil keeps calling, yes, you gonna see me. In Japan them want me, and I'm gonna be there. Spreading the love all over the world. All over the world.
All right. Let's get it loud with some stepping out of Babylon.
I want to see you step. Step, 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 step.
As y'all leave the club tonight, I want y'all to throw y'all hands in the air and step out of Babylon, baby. Let's turn up.
All the better times I've had. Oh God, it doesn't make me sad. Oh no, it doesn't bother me. Strength and honor is all I see. Oh, give thanks unto the Almighty One. He showed me what I had. He said, stand firm and keep the faith. Oh, your reward shall be great. And now I see the day, yeah. When what? When I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon. I've got no alternative in a Babylon, but I know, yes I know, and oh someday his children will find a way. Get up and don't let the devil lead you astray. I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. I wanna see you step. Stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon one by one, stepping in Mount Zion. Stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon, stepping out of Babylon in Mount Zion. You feel alright?
Stepping out of Babylon one by one, baby. You already know what it is. Keeping it live and in effect, baby. Let's go with legalize it. Come on now.
Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Hear this. Some call it tampe. Some call it Kale. Some call it marijuana. And some of them call it ganja. That's why we got to legalize it. And I will advertise it. Say legalize it, and I will advertise it. Here it is. The doctor smoking, the lawyer smoking, the judges smoking. Even President Clinton smoking. That's That's why we got to legalize it. And I will advertise it. Say legalize it. It's the best thing they can do. I want to see all the hands in the air. Keep your hand in the air. If you love the marijuana, keep your hand in the air. If you love the sensimilia, keep your hand in the air. If you love the sweet indica, keep your hand in the air. If you're a planter, if you're a cultivator, say legalize it. And I will advertise it. You know we will. Don't you know that? Say legalize it. And I will advertise it. Hear this. It's good for the flu. Don't it? It's good for asthma. We know that. It's good for glaucoma. Yeah. It's good for many kind of diseases. We know, we're never gonna refuse it. We know, we're always gonna use it. Oh yes, that's why we got to legalize it. And I will advertise it. Yes, come on and legalize it. And I will advertise it. Hey, now keep your hand in the air. If you love the marijuana, now keep your hand in the air. If you love your sensimilia, keep your hand in the air. If you love the sweet indica, keep your hand in the air. Yes, that's why we got to legalize it. And I advertise it. So we say legalize it. I will advertise it. Keep your hand up there. Enough respect to all the man that plant a good thing. Because without the planter, we wouldn't have no smoker. Enough respect every time to all the oils, to all the ropes, and all the things that is made of the hemp. Because we know that it comes from the emperor. Yes! Every time. That's why we got to. That's why we got to legalize it. Oh yes. That's why we got to legalize it. Are you feeling out there?
Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer.
We need a cure.
Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Those mothers, they lose their sons, sir. Waiting on the cure for cancer.
Waiting on a cure.
Those fathers, they lose their daughters. Waiting on the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Take a look at those young and green youths, they passed away. Waiting on the cure for cancer. Something is in the air, interfering with all those brains. All those parents they leave behind in pain. Now that you're gone, broke all these hearts, leave them behind. How we gonna talk? Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Leaders and scientists, doctors, we need to talk about this. Something could be in the fields, ready to do some healing.
Some healing. We need some healing. Some healing. We need to talk about the
medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. All they should have said, sometimes let's try something else. All those great and not so great, they passed away, waiting on the cure for cancer. More money should be spending. Take some money from the military action to help searching for the cure for cancer. What about the families without medical insurance? Come on, leaders, come give them a helping hand. I think it's one of the biggest problems. Searching for the cure for cancer. I think it's one of the biggest problems. Searching for the cure for cancer.
We need a cure now.
The sunset here and the sunrise over here. The sky and the sea is so far apart yet near. Medical scientists, can you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Those mothers, they lose their sons, sir. Waiting on the cure for cancer. Those fathers, they lose their daughters. Waiting on the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer.
Searching for a cure.
Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper? Searching for the cure for cancer. Medical scientists, can't you dig a little deeper?
Goodness and mercy will follow the eye and the eye. Now never get to see sunshine today. No appetite, but there's reasons to smile. Life's most valuable things can't be seen with the naked eye. What is flesh without the breath of life? I know there's still a lot you would love to achieve, but don't you overlook blessings you already see. I know things could have better. Remember, say things could have worse. So just give thanks and praises to Jah. 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 We pray for strength while we work for truth. We pray for guidance as we lace with boots. Pray for me and I'll pray for you. We plant the seeds but Jah bear the fruits. Every tear is a lesson, every loss is a gain. Focus on the bigger picture, not the size of the frame. Tell them I'm ready and I'll tell them again. Haile Selassie still a rule and give thanks and praises to Jah. 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 Although you know for make money, none of one can make food. Change your attitude. Watch you change your altitude.
From a child you are it. Other man you can't fit. Believe me when I say righteous youths must prevail. So just give thanks and praises to Jah. Give thanks and praises to Jah. Give thanks and praises to Jah. Give thanks.